Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So for guys who don't know me, hi, I'm Alekhya and I do different kind of videos starting from skincare, vlogging, cooking and lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And today I'm gonna try a new video. So this is all about skincare, and recently I've discovered basically a new face pack which I have made at home, and it completely works for me. So as many of you know that I have got dry skin and extremely dry skin, so there are few face masks that doesn't work for me really. And I have almost 8 to 9 months of winter season here in Australia, so my skin gets a lot of dryness no matter what I do and all, even if I take care of my skin properly still. So today I'm gonna show you a face pack that is homemade, and it just requires very basic stuffs, and it completely work for me. Now those who will try to make this face pack and see whether it works for you or not, I would slightly suggest you to do a slight patch test, either like in whatever way you want to do it, so to see that whether in case if you are allergic to any of the things, or it doesn't work at your skin or something like that. And if it completely work after the patch test is fine with you, then you can go ahead and use this face pack, and let me know in the comment section below how it actually works for you. Now I will take a bath in approximately in around an hour or so. So I thought that today I am at home and I got up really early in the morning, so before I go and take a bath, why don't I do a little bit of skincare at home? So that's the reason I'm doing a skincare homemade face pack today. So without wasting any time, let's hop into the video and let me show you how I prepare the face pack. So the ingredients you need is yogurt, honey, besan, lime water, and the rest of the lime. Put it into a mixture, make a paste of it, because you need to add it with this paste. So you need 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half or 1 tablespoon of besan according to the amount you want to make, and if you want to refrigerate it, it's fine. Then you need honey, like a tablespoon of honey will be fine, or maybe half a spoon of honey. And then you need the lime juice. So squeeze the lime, take out the lime juice, like 2 tablespoons of complete juice, and the remaining of the lime, put it into a mixture, make a paste, and then just add it into your mixture, and your paste, the face pack is made. Now you can store it into a refrigerator for like a week or so, and the remaining you can use it for now. Now guys, basically besan actually exfoliate your skin while giving you an instant glow on your face, and on the other side, lime that contains citric acid, and it nourishes skin cells inside and help fight the skin from aging. Now yogurt also contains lactic acid that dissolves dead skin cells, and it also helps moisturizing and preventing premature aging. So it's basically all rounder. Now honey keeps your skin moist, but it doesn't make it oily, so it's perfectly for dry skin as well as your oily skin. But still do a patch test before using this face pack. Now apply this face masks using your hand or a brush, but before using this face mask, just make sure that you put some water and wash your face at first, and then start applying your face mask all over your face and keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes, but don't keep it for a long time because it contains citric acid and you are using lemons. Just don't keep it for a longer period of time, it's not good. So keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and once you see it's drying, just wash your face with normal cold water. Don't put hot or warm water on your face, always use cold water to wash your face, and then you can see the result actually. So guys, I have just washed my face, and if you can understand, actually there is a lot of difference after applying the face mask. And after you wash it, then just use a little bit of toner and a serum and put some moisturizer on your skin and you are good to go. But the reason why I'm not applying any of these, I'm just applying my serum, because after like half an hour or so I'll just take my bath, so there is no point of putting toner and all. I'll do all of that after I take my bath. So for this face pack, you can actually preserve the remaining of the face pack in a container and put it in your freezer, and you can preserve it for like a week or so, and you can apply it thrice a week according to your according to you. That's it. I am running out of words, so I'll quickly put a serum on my face and I am good to go for now. Yeah, so that's it for me today, guys. Hope to see you very soon in my another video. Till then, take care, stay safe and be happy. See you. Bye.